Funny Fur is an American company dedicated to creating affordable, quality pet supplies, which has recently branched out more toward eco-friendly innovations. These innovations include pet bedding, food, and water bowls. The product we're here to discuss today, biodegradable pet waste bags. Pet ownership has been on the rise in Scotland, and since disposable grocery bags cost between 5 and 10p each, it is necessary for dog owners to purchase dedicated dog waste bags. For a pet owner who walks their dog daily, this can become expensive. The used plastic bags can also pile up in the local trash cans and landfills. If a pet owner has 2 dogs which they walk every morning and every evening, they could easily use up to 28 pet waste bags in 1 week. Dedicated dog waste bags are traditionally made out of non-biodegradable plastic. In 2016, we produced 320 million tons of this kind of plastic. This resulted in killing 100,000 marine mammals and turtles, as well as 1 million seabirds. The only meaningful way to fight this is to change things at the corporate level. Companies like Funny Furs and Creature Comforts need to make green choices. These pet waste bags are one of those choices. We plan on marketing these bags to all dog owners in Scotland. Specifically, we will create 3 distinct ads for Creature Comforts to put out. One targeting families who own dogs, one targeting retired people between 60 and 75 years old who might walk their dog around town on a Sunday afternoon for fresh air, and one targeting professionals in their late 20s and early 30s who might walk their dog down the street after work or jog with their dog in the park on weekends. Scotland is one of Europe's leaders in making eco-friendly choices. We were inspired by Scotland's goal of cutting 80% of their carbon emissions by 2050. Sustainability is a priority that is crucial for all of our future, so we strive to bring it to more aspects of Scots' daily lives, and, hopefully, use Scotland as an example for how the rest of the world can become more eco-friendly. With these bags, we can cut down on the production of non-biodegradable plastic. We can also enable dog owners to do their part in preserving our planet. Thank you for your time and your consideration.